Hello, hello. Okay, so trail logger is pretty lag in my lap, so I took trail logger on my mobile today. So I'm trading, I'm looking on trading view charts and executing on my mobile. Executing on my mobile, so risking only 10 trades per trade. $10 per trade. That's our plan today. So what is our today's plans? Okay, this is our today's plans. We either any of this for opening plan, we when you open, we either took any of these lows first. Either we make a SMT here, and either we make a SMT here, we make a inversion of the 50-minute here, so we are almost bullish. And here we are on the 4 hour. Look at this, these made an SMT with the 4 hour, so it is pretty good to take a long from right from the open. So let's see. What we have here is a 4 hour sweep, and we are inside a 30-minute and 15-minute gap, so it is pretty very good levels to take a long. So what I am going to do is we are either waiting for this NAS to get taken into this level and form an SMT with the ES, and we are going to trade above. So this is our plan for today. This is a 5-minute gap, and this is also a 5-minute gap. Let's see what will happen, what will the opening range will do. And we have pretty clear levels to target here. The 15-minute gap, the 5-minute gap, everything is right here, sitting here. So it is pretty clear what we do today. So let's see what will happen. So in my mobile phone, I opened my chart, so I'm clear what to do in my mobile. So let's see. Let's look for inversion from either of these levels. That's our this is the opening is done. We can target these highs. That is our target for today. These are London lows. I don't think this price will go to the London lows today. Okay, it is pushing without retracement, so yeah, let's see what will happen. Okay, pushing upside. Maybe we can get a retracement to this level with before we actually get a what? Before we get a yeah, we are pulling up to this level. So we have clear these equal highs here, sitting right these levels, equal highs. We have clear levels. So after we tap into this 5 minutes, so we are going to tap. We both tapped into this level. So let's look for inversions from this level. So that is our plan, though. That is a plan. So we are actually really bullish now. You look at this. We swept that 4 hour low. We swept. We are inside this 30-minute on ES. So pretty good levels overall. What we need is just a 5-minute reaction from these levels. Any inversion from here, we can take that. I pulled up some indicator from this. I'm okay to look for 2. I may not look for 2 minutes today. So let's see what will happen. Yeah, we are falling to the downside. We swept that lows here. Our overall bias is, but look at these levels. These are heavy great levels too long. So on the to how we have this gap. Let's mark that also. Oh, that is the equal lows, I think so. Maybe that is an equal low. From there we can expect an inversion. Yeah, this is an equal low, so maybe from there we can expect a reversal, not from here. So let's just remove that. Okay, actually we are inside this 30-minute gap, and this 1 hour gap, and this 2 hour gap, and this 4 hour gap here. So everything is bullish on ES. We have clear target to the upside. After this fall, I maybe think about looking for. Let's see if we can boost to this level. So we have this 30-minute 2 lows here sitting right there. We swept the London lows on New York Open, so that is a kind of bullish. Maybe we will take continuation on the New York core. We may get a reversal off of this level. We are closing in 31 seconds on 5 minutes. Let's look at the 1 minute for now. Let's see. Long from here will be pretty nice. We just sweep the London low, so that will be nice and clean. Yeah, we close the first 5-minute candle right here. Let's look at the 2 minutes here. We found it. 2 minutes. Let's keep an eye on this 2 minutes here. I'm ready. I'm looking for trades now. We have a 2-minute gap also here. Maybe I will wait for that to get inverted also, because okay, maybe take some trades now. In 3, 2. Okay, we didn't inverse that. We didn't inverse that 1 minute or 2 minute. Neither of those levels, so we need to wait for that level to get inversed. Did we form some? Yeah, pushing, but I can't trade without that 2-minute inversal. Yeah, we swept that highs. Oh shit, very aggressive price, very aggressive. But what this problem is, we have a 1 minute here, we have 1 minute here, so we need to wait for both of these level to inverse, or we need to wait for that 5 minutes to get inverse. So what we have now is we have SMTs with ES, so we have a 15-minute equal lows here, so it is pretty good to target these lows. So if we can get a proper good reaction to the downside, we may look for shorts again. So if we SMT can hold, I don't know, maybe it will hold, maybe not. Yeah, I can take this trade, but because what is happening here is this is our break-even point. If we take this trade, what we can do here is we can take the trade here, but even though we have a break-even point on here, so it is better to look for another trades rather than just chasing this trade. So it's better to look for that. That's my plan for now. We didn't inverse this 3-minute on ES either, so just wait. Yeah, it is pretty good to target these 15 lows now, I think so, but I may not get a proper trade towards this. Look at this, these levels are pretty much clean. when ES inverses this 3 minute, we may can take the longs on ES here, but I am not taking that on my live trade. I am taking that on my on this demo. Because I am not gonna trade either way. Yeah, I'm risking 500 USD and taking this shit. Okay. Oh, I just created a limit order, so either we can roll up to these levels, or either we can just give a pull up to this level. Okay, I can't take that because I want market order. 500 bucks long, fucking long. What is happening, bro? I don't know. Maybe some kind of lag happening. I don't know. Yeah, I think we are at some kind of high time frame levels. Not yet. Yeah, we are at the 30 minute fair value gap. So we are also in this for 1 hour fair value that is closing in 20 minutes. So not a bad idea to hold this trade for a short. Let's see if we form some kind of nothing yet. Let's close this trade. Still we can look for short. We have 1 hour 30 minute everything favors us for a short. We have 15 minute, 5 minute here, 15 minute here. Now we are inside a 1 hour, so pretty good levels. Okay, we are also here on it 1 hour. Okay, great. Let's see how this 1 hour plays. If this waits, we are probably going to this level, so let's keep an eye on this trade for now. Our draws are opening draws are pretty much clear. What we did is clear, because the only thing I didn't get was this 1 minute inversion also. If this candle inverses this 1 minute, we can take this long, but that didn't happen. What happened here, we got that here, so we can't take that one. It's against our rules. We may tap into this 15 minute in a few minutes, 15-30 minutes and 1 hour. I think that's a pretty clean levels for if we are short. If you are inversing this 1 hour, we may look for short, but I don't think we are inversing that levels today. Let's see. No 5 minute gaps yet. We may form a 5 minute here, but let's see. Clear levels for a short, but we are not forming any levels here. Let's keep an eye on here. Here on the 2 minute, we have pretty clear levels. Yeah, we found a 3 minute. Let's look for this 3 minute to get inversed. Okay, great. Do we have a 5 minute? No. Problem is we didn't tap into these levels either. The good thing is we are inside this 1 hour. Oh, what is this? I don't want this coordinate here. What is this for thing happening? Any trades open? No. No, I don't want that. What is happening, bro? I don't know. What is happening? Is it a bug or something? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's some kind of bug happening because we are on splits now, so okay, we have a 1 minute here. Sorry, we have a 5 minute form here. For now, we can just what we can do is just what is happening, bro? How to disconnect this paper trading? Log out of paper trading. Okay, great. Now it's good. Let's just not paper trade for now. Let's look for shorts. Yeah, it would be great short from here. If we get a short, that will be great. We formed this. I think this is a 3 minute, so I don't need this anymore. We may tap this 2 hour in few minutes. We may tap that 5-15 minutes in few minutes. Did we form some 5 minute gap? No, needed form anything. We are running through these highs. Let's see if we can get an inversion. Let's see in 2 minutes what is happening. I'm looking at 2 minutes here on my phone, so 2 minutes on my phones, okay? I can't get 2 minutes because I am not on premium. I don't have premium, so I think okay. Even though there is a small, I think there is a small. Look at this gap. There's a small 5 minute gap that not yet formed. That's why it didn't appear yet. So only completed. What is happening, bro? I just disconnected the paper trading. Yeah, pretty good. Let's say we missed this one. Okay, either way. Sounds okay, but okay, we are aggressively moving upside. I don't know what to do now. Maybe we just wait for some retracement to these gaps. Yeah, maybe 5-minute FVG. Okay, maybe to that gaps. Let's look for some. Where the shorts to that level. So let's see if we can inverse this 1 hour. If we can inverse this 1 hour, that will be huge. That means we are bias will most probably bullish today. We have clear rows with here also. Look at these Asian highs here, pretty much clear rows. And I don't think that we will just flush do the to that levels so fast. Let's look for some kind of reaction from here. Because it looks a good level. Okay, we got a reaction from the years here on the 1 hour, but great. Okay, wonder what's happening on 2 minute. Yeah, 2 minute there is a gap. Let's see. Do we have a 3 minute? Nah. The 3 minute will form in 37 seconds. Should we wait for that? We are inside this 1 hour gap, so pretty clear rows are sitting right there. So if we can inverse this to 1 minute, maybe we can short. Short to these 5 minute maybe. Okay, there is another 5 minute here. That's a little risky. Still, if we can, that's not a bad idea. Okay, 2 minute projected pretty well. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe we can get a 3 minute. Yeah, we got a 3 minute one also. So now we need to inverse this 3 minute to go short. Yeah. It looks like we are continuing to the upside. Either way, we are good. Let's see. Okay, without retracement, we are pushing high. Let's see inside we can inverse this 1 hour. If we inverse this 1 hour, we can look for trades to the higher levels, maybe. Okay. Do we inverse this 30 minute? No. Do we inverse this 1 minute? No. Never. Can we inverse this 1 minute? Let's see. Let's see. We are inversing this 30 minute in few 5 minutes. We are inversing 1 minute in 5 minutes. We are inversing this 2 minute one hour. We may tap into some key levels on the upside, but still. Yeah. Let's see, guys. We may inverse this yes on few minutes. Let's see if we can inverse this. That's a good trade. We can inverse. That's a good trade. We didn't inverse, so let's wait. Yeah, 5 here. Nearly 15 minutes now. Nearly 15 minutes here now. Yeah, another 5 minutes here. So I just remove this one now. These are key levels. These are 1 minute, 1 hour something. Yeah, these are 1 hour levels. So let's see if we can inverse this in 4 minutes. Let's see if we can get an inverse on the downside within this. Until 4 minutes we are bullish. So until we get a for 4 more minutes we are bullish. Okay, 3 more minutes now. We have 4 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Great. Wow. Let's see if there is enough fire. Yeah, 15. Yeah, great. Bright loves the shorts actually, but are not getting any signs to short. There is no signs from God to short. Actually, this is a pretty good idea to take trades on phone, so I can get a better view here. Actually, we build pretty good liquidity here in this zone, so we may flush through that levels. But to take that trade, we need to inverse this 3 minutes from here. What we need an inversion of this 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. We can get that one. Or this 1 minute inverser is good. Either one of that I would take. Here in 2 minutes, we are forming nothing in 2 minutes. We are not forming any structure on 2 minutes. Yeah, good. Yeah, good for now. Wow. trade I missed. This is the trade we missed. Put our stop here and we go for 1 to 1. But the thing is, we are already see power break even point, so we may not get. And we left this 15-minute equal lows here, so not a good idea to short. Very long. Okay, this is slowing down, man. Crazy. Mm. Let's see how the stream is going. Stream is going pretty good. 30 minutes in. Okay. We may take this in our time, and we have a 5-minute below, so we may rebalance into that 5 minute soon. Into this 5 minutes soon. I am thinking of that rebalance. Okay, we also inverse this 5 minute, this 1 hour, so we are not going to flush higher so fast. We may get a pullback. I think this pullback will be from not like this. I think the pullback we get will be something around like this. We can put our stop here. We can look for this 5 minute pullback, but to get that one, what we need is this 3-minute inversion. At 3 minute is enough for us. Maybe we can get that. Yeah, the 10 AM high got formed now. I think the rebalance point will be the. Yeah, we got another 5 minute here. Maybe we will just balance from there. Let's look at the reaction. Let's look at the reaction now. 5 minute here. Yeah, we pretty clearly rejected from that level also. So what happened to the physical zone? Yeah, pretty clear. Can we inverse this 3 minute? Even if we inverse that 3 minute, we have another problem right here, the 5 minute gap. So yeah, great. Let's see. That 5 minute got reacting pretty good. Let's look at that. 3 minute is not going to inverse, I think. That 5 minute is pretty lying there like. So I assume we rebalance into that 5 minute soon. I think that 5 minute is formed on 9:45. Let's look at the 9:45 candle here. That is here, right there. But we are getting rejection from here. Maybe that's not a good probability trade. Let's see the 1 hour candle. We are pushing down, so we are forming the bottom wick. Let's see. I think it will go to this 5 minute to get rebalanced. Do we want to take this long? That is a question right there. This does look good long if we inverse. Okay, we really rejected from that level, but yeah, this is a chance of going long. This has a chance of going to this. Those. Let's see. Regularly exiting off the levels. Yeah, clearly rejecting off that levels, but okay. If we can form this 5 minute inversion, I'm taking this trade to the downside. Okay. Let's see this trade, how this plays out. I am in the trade. We inverse that 5 minute. Everything looks go good right now. We have this 5 minute below and we have this 5 minute here. So this 5 minute is our break even point. So let's look. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. I'm in after this candle close, something around that, and my stop is around here. I think so. I think my stop was around the. Let's see. Let's see where is our stops. Oh, I think I took a long, man. Do I took a long? No. That's just the pull trade. No. I took a short, man. That's pretty good. My SL is pretty much in a bad area right now. I think it's around here. Yeah, I got stopped out. Great. Beautiful. I think I was here. My SL was here. Right here. SL was here. Yes. This data is slow. That's why it is lagging. I got stopped out, guys. One more stop. Wait, after this 5 minute inversion, what is happening, man? Beautiful. Not even getting reaction to that side. He just inverse from the rate. Great, beautiful. No rebalance, nothing. Just pure crap. Yeah, we swept that 10 a.m. highs. Yeah, great. It's okay. Another day, another lows. Now we are pulling to that level maybe, but I don't think I can take that trade either. Because that will be a revenge trade. What the fuck? That's not a bad trade. Man, a decent trade, man. Just fucked up. Fuck. I think I took the trade right here. That will be from here. think that taken from there and stopped out in seconds. I think maybe 60 or 20 seconds. Wow, beautiful. No, we don't have any valid reasons to react from there. What we have here is a 3 minute one, but this 3 minute doesn't invest, but the 5 minute got invest. That's actually not a bad thing. Actually, this entire leg there is a 1 5 minute, but on this leg we have a 3 minute. So maybe is that a problem? Was it took that trade? Is that a bad trade? I don't know. I don't think that is a bad trade. The problem here is we didn't invest this 3 minute, but that is not a problem because we have this. What I have here. Is that 3 minute doesn't actually invest. Okay. Maybe that was that our problem. I don't think that is a problem because we invest the 5 minutes. So what is the problem with? I don't know. Maybe it's not an actual V shape, but still not a bad trade. Look at this. We are delivering from a 15-minute gap. Delivering from a. We just opened that candle, so obviously there will be a retracement. Not at all a bad trade, but let's see. From here we are at the 15-minute gap, we are at the 30-minute gap, we are at the 1 minute gap, we have a 4 hour gap. Man, this is great trade. It's not at all a crappy trade. This is a great trade. Should I take this inversion on the okay? But I don't think I should trade in this crappy price action. I'm not taking this trade either, but still, let's just look into that for a moment. If we invest this, I am taking that to downside. Okay, this will be our trade for a 1-to-1. Let's see how this plays. This is our break even. Yeah, it is playing now. Okay, great. We invest this 3 minute now, and it's going down now. So we are break even if we are in this trade. So we tapped into that 5 minute, this 5 minute gap. No, we didn't tap into that. They just tap. We have 5 minute below, so we didn't tap into that loss. So maybe this in this leg we need to invest this 3 minutes. So maybe that was the problem I do done. So എന്താപ്പാ? Yeah, Park, I will come. So, TP hit on here. Rate 1 to 1, rate scalp. Ah. Ah. കഴിച്ചോളാപ്പാ. Great. Actually, that was a fuck. Why did I done? I should have waited for this one. This is a great trade. Top in the server retraced. Top in the server made a small inversion. Inversion to the round side. Target to the 5 minute. Delivering from a 1 hour gap. Wow. What I'm doing in this world, man. Doing with this life, I don't know. Okay, we have SMT with that level. We have a 3 minute gap here. Maybe we have something on the 2 minute. Nothing on the 2 minute. We have 3 minute. We want to trade continuation trade to the upside. We need to wait for this 3 minute to get inversed. Wow, beautiful. And this is the wick of 1 minute 1 hour 10 a.m. candle, guys. That's the wick. Okay, that's it for today. Stopped profit, take loss. Great. What the fuck, bro? We can't even take this 3 minute now. How about a price action on ES? Okay, guys, done for the day. Another day, another lose. Lord's streak. I'm a god. Thank you, guys.